Hey guys, and welcome to Windowsill Nepenthes. My name is Rémy, and on this channel I will show you everything you need to know to grow Nepenthes, this beautiful tropical carnivorous plant, on your windowsill. In France, I grew Nepenthes on my windowsill for many years, and when I moved to Canada in 2017, I discovered that the knowledge I got from Europe, I was able to apply it on North America in Canada. So it gave me an idea. If everything I know about growing Nepenthes on my windowsill, I learned that by chatting with other growers, visiting their setup, what if I could do the same on YouTube? What if interviewing somebody in South Australia could help somebody in Texas? What if we could exchange knowledge on how to grow Nepenthes on the windowsill? Because the way you will do it depends on your climate, but there is just a certain number of different climates. Mediterranean, we have the kind of a desert dry one, we have the cold one, like here in Canada. So if we can learn from each other, that would be really helpful for this big hobby. If you grow Nepenthes on your windowsill and you would like to share how you do that with us, just for the purpose of exchanging knowledge and helping maybe another grower somewhere else on the planet, please contact me and I will be more than happy to set an interview with you. Quick note about the interview. If you don't speak as good English as me, we can find a way around. We can use Google Translate. I can easily send you the question and then you just film yourself replying, so we can find it. It's not because you don't speak properly English that it should prevent you to share with other growers. It's a big planet but a small village. We should exchange knowledge. First playlist, it will be the tutorials, everything you need to know to grow Nepenthes on your windowsill. Next playlist will be the interview I did so far on other growers, because again, you can learn things just by seeing how others do. The next playlist will be the most popular, and finally I plan to have another playlist about product review, what kind of item you can buy to help you grow better plants on your windowsill. So until next time, happy growing!